We have subtraction of polynomials. How we do this? First, we have to take down the parentheses, and when we don't have any sign before parentheses, we have to rewrite everything what we have inside. So this is equal 4x cubed minus x squared plus 3x. Next, we have negative sign before parentheses. When we have negative sign before parentheses, we need to change this sign every term in parentheses. When we don't have sign, it's always positive here. So positive 7x cubed, so now will be negative 7x cubed, negative, so now will be positive x squared, positive, so now will be negative x, and negative, so will be positive 5. Every term in parentheses we need to change the sign. It's like multiplication. We have in negative sign before parentheses. Negative times positive is negative. Negative times negative positive. Negative times positive negative. Negative times negative give me positive. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have 4x cubed, negative 7x cubed, and we have negative x squared and positive x squared, so we can cancel out. That will be 0. And we have 3x and negative x, and we have one constant only. So let's start from the highest power. We have 4x cubed and negative 7x cubed. How we do this? We copy variable x cubed, and we have to add the coefficients. We have 4 plus negative 7. So we have to keep the sign the largest number. 7 is greater than 4, so it will be negative sign. And now we have to just subtract 7 minus 4 is 3. 4x cubed minus 7x cubed is negative 3x cubed. 7 minus 4 is 3. Negative sign we keep because the largest number has negative sign. 4 is positive. X squared we reduced, and now we have 3x minus x. If we don't have coefficient, is indivisible 1 always. So x, we have an x variable, so we copy x, and we have 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, positive 2. So plus 2, we have to write 3x minus 1x is 2x. And we have to copy 5. This is my solution.